Hey friends, in this tutorial we are going to talk about on-page SEO image optimization for ranking. Okay, first of all, explore about image optimization and why it's important. I'm going to give you a live example why it is important. If I search on Google for any keyword like benefits benefits of freelancing, and if I search it, here you can see there are millions of websites about freelancing, but Google shows only 10 websites by ranking factor and its algorithm rules. But you can rank on a different ways through image optimization. If people go to through image and people clicks on image section, here you can see lots of image ranked on Google by their image optimization. Look, lots of image here. Every image here by image optimization. Here all the website owner can get traffic if people click in any of this image. For example, if I click on this image, it will take me to this website. Look, if I click on it, it's redirect me to learn.g2.com and benefits of freelancing. Did you see this magic? That's why if you want to rank on Google through image and get ranked on Google first page, you have to do image optimization for your blog post. You can get blog post reader through your image optimization. So how to do the image optimization for your blog post? I'm going to give you some live example. Okay, you have a website. I'm giving an example, like I have a website on WordPress for my portfolio website related digital marketing. If I want to create a blog post and I want to optimize my blog post image, first of all I need to go on post section, click on it, and add new post. By click on add new, it's loading. I'm writing here dummy title, 2022, and I don't have any blog and I have no article. For that I am giving use I'm taking some dummy content from lorem ipsum. I'm taking some dummy content from here, copy and paste on my uh, blog section. Now we have the content. We don't have any featured image to rank on Google. Look, here you can see set featured image. If I click on it, but I don't have any image. Where to get image? Actually there are lots of website on internet and you can use it for your personal uses. You can download, for example, here you can search free freepic.com. It's a website. You can download free image from here. Also you can use Pixabay. Click on pixabay.com. search freelancing. Look, from here you can download free image. Here you can see free download, and you can choose your size. I am choosing and download, and save it on my computer. Actually I use images, and I create image by me. I create image on canva.com. I am showing you this type of activity because if you don't have any image, where you can get images, you can get image from this website. Okay, now let's optimize the image. Where is image? Look, this is our image, and we are going to optimize it. Right click on this image and open it, Adobe Photoshop. This is our image. Right click, double click this image. Okay, and what to do now, how to optimize this image for your ranking on Google. Look, here you can see file option, click on it, and if you scroll down, here you can see file info, click on it. Look, there are many options to optimize your image. First of all, right here the main keyword, like benefits of freelancing. I'm going to copy it. Copy author. Who is the author? If you are the author, i'm I'm making this video, and actually I am the author of this image. I'm typing here Taymur. Taymur. And author title, who is the author title? I'm a blogger, you can see content writer. Next, content writer. And now write a description about this image, why you are optimizing this. Actually type here this, I am a image about the, look, I have completed the description here. And you can rating it for 5 star, because it is very important to rank higher. With the description writer, again you should write your name. I'm writing my name, Taymur. And what's the keyword? The main keyword is benefits of freelancing. I'm going to copy it and paste it. Look, here a disclaimer: semicolons or commas can be used to separate multiple values. You can use comma to write lots of keyword here. I'm going to use comma. And also research the search volume of this image on Google. If I go on Google, here you can see the search volume of benefits of freelancing with the help of keyword everywhere tool. It's an extension, free extension you can use for your own pages or SEO helps. Use this, try to use this keyword and paste it on fast notepad everywhere. Here you can edit all, give all the comma on finishing. Try to do this type of work like me. Okay, finish. Now copy these keywords and paste it here. Okay, you know that your image is copyrighted. Now you can see you should make copyrighted, and now don't touch this point. Now what is going what you should do on copyright info URL, you know, the blog you are making on your site, you must have a URL. If I click on my blog, look, this is my content URL here, but it is not proper URL because my content is not completed. But look on this content, actually it is completed and it is complete content. Here you can see the URL, proper URL. For example, take this. It is I'm going to copy it and paste it on my image. Paste it. Okay. Actually, you will use the URL here, that you will use the URL on your blog. Okay, everything is okay now. So now click on OK button. Now save this image by clicking on file option, and here you can see save as. You should save this image by JPG option. Also you can save it for PNG. I'm going to save it JPG option and save this image. It is asking me, it is alerting me because I have optimized this image. Click on OK. Oh, now you don't use the full size of this image. Try to use small size because it will make your website lazy, and if Google see your website is above 3 seconds taking the loading time, then Google will not rank your website. So you should make your image all the time below 100 pixel, 100 no 100 KB. I'm going to make it 100 KB. Here you can see the image size. Okay, 105 KB. Okay, image has been saved. Okay, now I am going to my image file. Here you can see the image title is not optimized, so I'm going to optimize it by right clicking, and here you can see the rename option. Type here benefits of freelancing. Okay, all done, everything is optimized. Now you can see the analytics here, benefits of freelancing, all the tags, 5-star rating, image size 101 KB, which is okay, the title, the author name, comment, you don't need to comment here, and everything okay. Save. Okay, now we are going to upload this image on our site. This is our website content, and you can see the featured image. The image, click on it and it will ask you to upload image, and select files from your computer, desktop, image, and this is our image. Click on open. Look, by default it has taken title and caption. Also you have to write the alter text here, benefits of freelancing, and also right here I'm going to copy and paste it. You can write, you can paste it on description. And now look the file URL, you can see, which we have set on our image optimization section on Photoshop. So set featured image. So now you can publish it or schedule it, whatever you want. You can publish it by click on it. Look, so these are all the process to optimize the image to rank your website on Google first page through image section. Hope you've liked this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Thank you again. Thanks for watching this video.